Hello guys, welcome to the knowledge clip of the licensing. So to begin with, licensing is an agreement where one company provides a legally protected asset to another company in exchange for compensation, and the licensed assets could include such as brand name, company name, patents, and so on. In addition, licensing is widely used all over the world as it is an attractive global market entry and expansion strategy. And to be more specific, there are two key advantages of licensing, which are, first of all, it helps companies circumvent tariffs, quotas, or similar export barriers. And second of all, with licenses, a company is granted autonomy to a considerable extent and is therefore free to adapt the licensed goods to local tastes. On the other hand, licensing also has some disadvantages and opportunity costs. And to be more precise, first of all, licensing agreements have limited marketing control. As a result, the licensor typically would not be involved in the licensee's marketing program, and therefore, the licensees may lose some potential marketing returns. Another disadvantage of licensing is that if the licensee begins to innovate in the licensed product or in the technology area, then its agreement with the licensor may not last long. In terms of the opportunity costs of licensing, we can have a look at the example of Sony in the mid-1950s, where the co-founder of Sony took the advantage of a licensing agreement for the transistor from AT&T's Bell Laboratories, unveiled a transistor radio, and achieved worldwide success. And in another aspect, I want to talk about the special licensing agreement, contract manufacturing, and franchising. And to be more specific, we start with the contract manufacturing and its advantages. Contract manufacturing means that companies provide technical specification to a subcontractor or a local manufacturers, so the companies can focus primarily on the product design and marketing. Another advantage of contract manufacturing is that it provides a limited commitment of financial and managerial resources and quick entry into target countries, so potential risks are lowered and eliminated. However, if workers in contract factories are poorly paid or labor in inhumane circumstances, then the company may be criticized public, and therefore their reputation will be harmed. And in terms of the franchising, it is a contract between a franchisor and a franchisee that allows the franchisee to operate a business developed by the franchisor, and in return for the fee and adherence to franchise-wide policies and practices. One great example of franchising is McDonald's. With franchising, McDonald's is able to expand its business globally and quickly. And because, as one of the biggest fast food supply chains, McDonald's has a well-known global brand name and a business system that can be easily replicated in multiple country markets. Moreover, McDonald's is willing to leverage local market knowledge by granting franchisees considerable leeway to tailor restaurant interior design and menu offerings to suit country-specific preferences and tastes. However, in general, we will still say that franchising is still a market entry strategy, and its level of localization is lower than that of licensing. And that will be all of the knowledge clip of licensing. I hope you understand well. Thank you and goodbye.